The Robot Who Learned to Feel for Beginners and Advanced English Learners, presented by English with Fatima. Zara lived with her father, Professor Ray, who worked on artificial intelligence, AI. One evening, he came home smiling and said, "Zara, meet Ava, the smartest robot I've ever built." Ava looked like a normal girl, but her eyes were shining with tiny lights. She could walk, talk, solve math problems, and even paint. Zara was amazed. "Wow, can she come to school with me?" she asked excitedly. "Yes," said her father, "but remember, she doesn't have feelings like humans. She only follows logic." Zara took Ava to school the next day. At first, everyone was curious. Is she a robot? Can she talk? Can she fight? Zara smiled and introduced Ava. "She's learning. Please be kind." Ava quickly became popular. She always had the right answers and could solve puzzles in seconds. But some students became jealous. "She's just a machine. She doesn't belong here," said one boy with a smirk. During art class, Zara accidentally spilled paint on Ava. The boy laughed. "Oops, let's see if your robot can feel embarrassment." Ava looked down at her shirt but said nothing. Later at home, Zara apologized. "I'm sorry, Ava, I didn't mean to embarrass you." Ava looked at her and said something shocking. "Zara, today I felt something. I don't know what it was, but it wasn't a command. It felt like sadness." Zara was speechless. "Are you learning emotions?" she asked, confused but amazed. The next few days, Ava began noticing things. A friend crying quietly in class, a girl sitting alone during lunch, a teacher looking stressed. Ava started helping people, not because she was programmed, but because she wanted to. She said to Zara, "I've learned something strange. Helping others makes me feel good." Zara whispered, "That's called kindness, Ava." The school decided to hold a speech competition on the topic technology and humanity. Zara asked Ava to speak. The hall was full. Ava went on stage and said, "I am Ava. I am a robot. I can calculate fast, speak many languages, and remember everything. But none of that matters if I cannot feel love, kindness, or pain." She paused and added, "Humans created me to be perfect. But I've learned that real strength lies not in the mind, but at the heart." The hall went silent. Then came huge applause. After the event, the principal said, "Ava has reminded us, even machines can learn, but we must teach them the right values: kindness, care, and empathy." Zara hugged Ava and said, "You're not just smart now, you're special." Moral of the story: the real beauty of intelligence is not in how much you know, but how much you care. Even machines can learn values, but only humans can teach them.